Today my wife plugged in the GE dehumidifier that I bought probably 30 some years ago, and it smelled like burning electrical wires. So the wire had gotten crimped and cut and shorted out. So what I did was I just took it apart, pulled the wire through here, and then made the connection inside after I cleaned off the wires. So here's what it looked like. It was all burned up. And now it'll work. So 2 screws there. 2 screws here. Those are the longer ones. Those came off right here. They go in right there. But when you put the cover on, you got to line it up with these 2 holes and these 2 holes right here on the sides. Then you put your knobs back on. You've got 2 screws here. Those are the black ones. Then you have 2 silver ones go up here. Then you've got 2 screws on this side. And 3 screws on the wire side. 1, 2, 3. And that's what I found inside the unit, which means that I got an extra one and that's been rolling around in there for years. Let's put the filter back in. This is what I found inside of it. Got an extra screw and a hairbreadth. Let's plug it back in and see it work. So apparently what's happening is this wire is getting crushed against the baseboard when it's being used. Oh, look at that. It works. Burnt wire.